Okay, now I have kind of a goldy yellow rolled out. There's AmeriColor Gold you can use. This is actually the egg yellow with a little bit of brown in it. And then that cutter set that I showed you earlier, these daisy cutters, there's actually a set of 4. I just showed you 2 out of the 4. I'm actually going to go with this size and one of the smaller ones. And you just push down and give it a twist and then pop it out by this. So you can do a big one. I'll just pop out a small one because I've already done some ahead of time. Always cover your fondant up when you're not using it. And then the ball tool that set also comes with 3 different sizes, and this is the smaller one. So push in. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing down and pulling in towards the center, and see how it pops up. If your fondant's too thin, then that won't happen. So if they're just flopping back down, then your fondant may be a little bit too thin. I'm not pushing too hard. I'm just very gently pushing. And see, you can push down in the center too and make it pop up a little bit. Place it over on your dusting area, and then we'll just I just take this brush that already has just a little bit of color on it, and just kind of dust it here and there because I don't want to change the color very much. And this is kind of cool because then you get whatever color is down here, so they're all a little bit different. All right, for the buttercream leaves, 352 tip in a parchment bag. I'm going to take, I have a little bit of brown food color, just chocolate brown by AmeriColor. What I want to do is I want to paint it. See where the slit is here on the outer side, the V cut in this tip? I want to paint inside the tip all the way like up, halfway up the bag with brown. You kind of have to hold on to that tip sometimes so it doesn't move. I think it moved on me. Moved on me. And the other side. Okay, and then take your green. This is avocado green. And squeeze some of it out because usually there's too much food color on it at first. And I kind of decide which side I like. I just wanted it to have a little bit of brown. I kind of like that one. It's just a kind of hint of brown in it since the fall leaves, the green leaves wouldn't be totally green. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. First, put the leaves on. Okay, so like this window box, we'll put some leaves here. We can even put some behind here to kind of support it a little bit. So it's not, once that dries, then it helps that window box kind of be more supported. Okay, just a few like that, and then we'll go ahead and take our flowers. Maybe a bigger one. And then pull a few more little leaves out. So it really only needs three flowers. Okay. We're going to put brown centers in later. This one underneath here. We'll just put like one there. And then maybe the other one like way almost under the curtain a little, because remember the curtain's kind of blown over. Just so you can even just kind of see the hint of it will add to your project. Okay, the other ones we can add later if we want to.